right, so I got cut off and I didn't realize it, and I just went through the whole process. And so this is part 4 of training 3 QGIS vector styling, just to make sure everyone's on the same page. All right, so we're trying to do the overview. You can see that I've already got it there. What we want to do is, again, make sure you're on map 2, because this is our second map. And what you're going to do is, again, go to Overview and click on Overview 1. Make sure this says Map 1 in it and your frame style. Sometimes I find that once I have Map 1 and then I change the color, Map 1 disappears. It's like it decides not to do it. And so then I've got to go back, set it for Map 1 again, and then try again. Once that shows up, make sure that it's something you can see. If you need to go in and change the coloring, I made mine a little see-through so that you could still see the triangles behind it, but you could also see where it was that this bigger map was looking at. Okay, so then after you've done that, I do not like these big white bars. So what I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this area in North America. And so in order to do that, just a reminder, you can go up here to Edit, Move Content. Now move content, again, you need to have the map that you're moving highlighted over here. And then if I use my mouse scroll button, you can also use these things over here. But I'm going to use my mouse scroll button, and I'm just going to scroll just a little bit and move around till I see an area that is a little bit more of what I want to see. So I'll just do the Americas as the area that I want to see. All right. The other thing that I'm going to do really fast is I'm going to just really quickly, do I want to put in grids? No, I'm going to put in a frame though. Let's put in a frame just around the perimeter. It gives it a little outline, little black outline, and I'm fine with what it's got there. So then what we need to do is add the other parts, like a title for our map. So let's add a label down here. And let's just name this Power Plants in the Southwest. Again, your title and name will depend on the location that you have chosen. I chose the Southwest for mine, and so that is what I've got coming. So I clicked on font there. I want my font to be a bit bigger, so I'm going to adjust this a little bit to be bigger. Power plants in the Southwest. If I wanted to change the type of font, I could go up here and select a font that I like a little bit better. And I can scroll. We'll make it kind of crazy for fun. Let's do papyrus because Southwest is kind of papyrusy, right? Okay. Anyway, so I did that, and then I'm going to come up here and add another item. Let's do our add a north arrow. Do I want that? Yes, I do. Let's add a north arrow. Boom, right there. Do I want that one, or do I want a different type of north arrow? Let's see what the pictures say. Nah, let's just leave it that way. It'll be easier. Okay, so I've got some things. The other thing I want to do is extend this out to the border of the paper so that it fills in the entire paper. Okay, borders of the Southwest, and then I need a table that represents these different colors. And so I'm going to click add, and then I need a legend. A legend is what describes the different attributes on the map. So we're going to add a legend, and I'll just do that right here. See what comes up. I might have to move things around a bit. I'm going to put that down here. Okay. I do not want, let's move my picture. I do not want global power plant database as on there at all. So if you come over here, as long as you've got the legend outlined here, you can see you've got all the different parts of the legend over here. I am going to get rid of, I'm going to click on that, okay? And then we're going to, all right, so what we're going to do now is you probably in the legend items have an auto update up here, and we can't seem to edit anything down here. We do not like global power plant database, so we're going to click on auto update to prevent it from doing that. Then we're going to click on this up here, and then we'll click on edit down here. A little note paper with what looks like a little pencil on it. And then we're going to change the label to fuel type. Okay. And then we will go back. And so now you can see that it says fuel type on here. We've got renewable. We like that. Don't really like this land type. People are going to know that this is land. We don't really need it there. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to hit the little minus sign and boom, it's gone. Okay. And now I've got a map. And so you'll turn it in by going over to layouts and save as a PDF. And I'm going to name it Training 3 Klein Power Plants in the Southwest. There we go. And then this is what I would turn in for credit for the training. And I've got my I've got my map here that's saved as a PDF. Okay? All right, that's it. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.